live. We are live. See, are we live? Yep. Yeah, we're live. Nice. Now it's been live for a bit. Okay. I'm just gonna make sure I'm able to view the chat. Just in case. Okay, here, I'm just gonna send out the stream link. Okay, so let's get to doing this. Okay, one thing I want to do before the Obby. Here. Oh, yo, hey. Make cat face. Alright, so let me check. Alright, so before I can start the Obby, unfortunately, I want to make some of my style terrain over here. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make some terrain. Let's get out the part. Well, actually, we should just take one of these parts. Alright, I'll just steal all. Oh no, I'll just make I'll just copy. I will paste into, and this will be a map border. We'll group this, and so yeah, let's start with this terrain. From one of my favorite tutorials on YouTube. It's like how to make Death Run style terrain by Griff Swagger. It's amazing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line it up right up against here. So right up there, and alright, we're gonna hopefully this doesn't bug out. Nice, it's working perfectly. Plugin's working perfectly. We're gonna make this one somewhat longish. Ooh, just enough to stretch out through here. Alright, looks good. Okay, so yeah, making this terrain style is actually kind of fun to do. It's actually, I just enjoy making this terrain. Clone, resize, and move this up here like that. Increment on 1. So I have to look through the tutorial right now, since last time I was working on it without the tutorial and I was doing it completely wrong. I can't, while I'm viewing this, I can only check the stream from here, unfortunately. It just could, so yeah, let's move this to right color. It's annoying, I have to like scroll back and forth here. I can't clear out exploring properties, always gotta have them open. B, B, B. Oops. Oopsies. Oopsies. Oh my gosh. I need to F3X toes. Okay. This is okie dokie. The memes say this is not okie dokie. I say this is okie dokie. Yeah, I need to just... into the, no. I gotta select these. Oh gosh. Sorry. That is taking long. Cool. So yeah, I'm literally just going through like a quick video since I gotta make sure I'm doing this right. Since last time I tried to do this, I did it completely wrong. It was like was not fun. Not enjoyable experience. Alright. Already right. It's right. Move back like this or this. Alright. Already right. Now I think I have to clone these. Alright, we're gonna clone these. We're gonna move them up. Oops, I gotta change the increment there. Alright, I just have to review this since sorry about how long this is gonna take. I just need to get this out of the way before I can start the Obby. But this thing actually won't take any time to do. Because once I'm actually doing like everything else, it'll all be good. Oh my god. I'm trying to keep up with this. Because I do everything wrong. Looks about right. Wait, oh my gosh. Okay, this looks right. Okay, gotta turn on local. Alright, I should be able to do it off from here. There's no more moving, or there's no more like specific numbers to remember. Resize a line, inner touch this. Oh my god. Inner touch. Yeah, I'll do this one. Oh my gosh. Got it. Let's go. Let's go. Anyway, I'm gonna check back, see how the stream's doing. Let's see, anything? Is anyone said anything? Okay. Shiduki Cookie. Never seen you before, that's cool. Got viewers. Yeah. I'm gonna connect this all up. Oh, wait, there's one stuff I forgot about. Or is there? No, there is not one step I forgot about. I'm doing it right. Looks weird for now, but gap fill will save the day. Gap fill is a lifesaver. Best plugin on Roblox, actually. It's made some seemingly impossible building tasks that I'll show you in a moment absolutely free. No challenge at all. I gotta gap fill this up. Gotta one stud this. This hurts really bad. Oh god, why is this so much easier to do in the video? Ah. Failed out of. Yes, we're gonna adjust the Z fighting. That will be fixed. My god, what the hell? Why is that sticking out? Why isn't this gap being filled? Oh, whatever. That works. I forgot how I do this exactly. Alright, I think I got it. I just gotta fix one thing where I gotta make this longer. And then we will be getting onto Obby. Okay. Just gonna scale it. I'm gonna take the group as a whole and just shove it right in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. No, you. I can manage. Where's the thing I'm looking for? Fix that. Oh, whatever. Oh, whatever. I just see, did that mess everything up? Mess nothing up. Okay, okey dokey dokey o. Okie dokie. This is not okie dokie. Okay, so let's just, for testing purposes, actually we're gonna get a checkpoint. Even though there's a play here option, I definitely just want to get a spawn location. Just, you know, I'm gonna die in testing. Wait, where's the decal? Doesn't it have like a decal on it? What happened to the spawn location decal? Hello? Oh, there it is. I think one time people tried to call out the spawn location details like offensive somehow. I don't know how you do that. How you can call it offensive, but oh my gosh, so we only have like 3 jumps here and it's just some basic type of jumps, nothing complicated. Okay, come on, load up. Okay, buddy, come on, load up. I'm just gonna get like a full screen. Yeah, complete the full screen, and wow, you still can't get the full screen, even with everything. So basically, these parts will make you slide, and same on this side. But that's how I've done. Wait, does this one work? Oh, that ain't good. What about this? Oh, yeah, and you die when you get and touch the water. Death. So, let's see which ones work. And you can just you can, oh my god. So you can kind of cheese to jumps by doing what I'm about to show. You can kind of just do it like that. But at the same time, you're on a timer the way this race is going to go. So you gotta, so it's much more effective to just do it like this. Alright, so back here. So this one doesn't work. This one works fine. Alright, let's check whatever is going on. I'm sure it's going to be obvious. Alright. Oh, it's muted missing a script. What is it? Vector3.new? No, cframe.new. Error. Let's see. Let's just copy and paste one of the scripts. Whatever. I forgot exactly how it went. Yeah, we'll just take this script right here. Copy. Paste into. Let's see what the script was. Oh, I had to do equals vector3.new. Script I printed out without. Oh yeah, that should have been obvious. Anyway, let's see how this works now. Bro, this is like a big divot. I think the player is slightly faster than this thing's velocity. So yeah. I'm just gonna see like how hard it is. Since I don't want it to be that hard yet, it can't be just free. And see, so you've got to be like able to do quick, consistent jumps. You can't do like slow, short jumps. So yeah, I'd say that's somewhat balanced, especially for the very beginner Obby, the qualifiers. So how do we do this next? Oh, wish I could make like a diving anime, a slide animation. I'm gonna need time to think how to do this, since I don't want this to be like a typical Roblox obby. Like, oh, I have an idea. I have evil. Okay, let's maybe not say evil. Actually, yeah, I gotta go. I will be right back. Be right back. We will be right back. So, the way I'm thinking of this, there's gonna be some sort of like 3x3 or 2x3 grid of some sort. So each grid will have these little platforms, and each of these platforms like a door that can, like a trap door, except it uses 2. So, here, let me insert this bit. Alright, sorry about that. Yeah, it just stopped by, like. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build. I think this is gonna look, since I didn't really describe it good, like that well at all. Alright, so it's gonna be using the same link. Hello, Varktech. No, that is. Alright, trapdoor. Trapdoor panels. So, hello. I don't know if I'm gonna get this right. Deirdre, sorry. Sorry if I got that horribly wrong. Harvey? Yeah, I probably got that horribly wrong. So, I kind of have to build this before I can totally explain what it is, since it's kind of not that complicated, but also kind of tough to explain. Trapdoor panels is kind of the best name I got for it. So these are going to be very thin. It just takes, just taking some time to make sure I got the good idea. I'm not using a lot of space. Alright, I'm gonna have to give this a solid increment now. 2. I have no idea what Varktech is supposed to mean, but cool. Varktech. It's got a nice ring to it. So we're just gonna make this wood, just a typical woodcutter I do again. Or actually I can make more like metal bars. So now, duplicate, just complete 45 degree, duplicate, rotate, okay, these gotta be the same distance apart as they are long. So, what we're gonna do is just, instead of doing them across like that, it seems like counterintuitive at first. So this thing on Z has to be the same as this thing on its X. Blup. Just okay. To increment them properly. Start touch. Here, all I'm gonna do is just a bit of a resize line since I'm lazy. Why aren't I literally just resizing this myself instead of spending the unnecessary time to put resize a line plugin? Okay. So, duplicate these now that I rotate them. It should be almost perfectly geometrical. Okay, so now this is gonna be, so actually I'm not gonna union this yet. I'm gonna duplicate this, scale it, do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I need this to be like a good like third size. This needs to be like a third. And that was like an actual way to use like actual like math and logic to figure that out, but I'm not in the mood. You know. Keeping things simple, you know. Can I type a period? Hello? Also, Verktech, whatever that is, will forever go down history as the first message from DJ. I'm saying that horribly wrong. Harvey. I'm actually offensive. Okay, it looks like we're almost got the size. Actually, no, we kind of nailed it on size. Alright, so that's like the size I'm looking for. Alright, so yeah, nice. This will make a lot more sense. So, since it worked on one axis, it should be the same on the other axis. Alright, so you see there's going to be 9 panels. We're going to create 9 wooden panels. I'm just going to union this. I know union can create lag, but... Oh, that was easy. Outliners. Alright, that was pretty easy union to make. Verktech. Your name will be forever remembered. Is this one view or me on my other device? I'm not gonna lie, 7 minutes watch time is pretty solid. Okay. Oh shoot, I can't grab individual parts now. I'm just gonna undo the union, I'll fix it later. A union and back later. So now how we're gonna do this is I'm gonna create this to take up exactly or about exactly half of this. Well, let's see how the size is sticking. So these things have the same size, so we have to change to Z. Let's see, let's change this by 0.2. Actually, change it to 0.1 right now. We're just gonna make that distinction. Oh, 0.05. Okay, so they're the same size now. So now, these are gonna become wooden. And there's gonna be like a lot of code to this. Honestly, like on the complicated side. Not that complicated. I don't know. This might be extremely hard. Once it's gonna take time. Like I'm gonna have to finish this design first for it to be understandable. Which I'm almost finished with the design. Yeah, that's kind of nice. Alright. Outliners. And then channel 4. And each of these panels has to be a group, not a union, since we're gonna have to see each individual one. Alright. So I should be able to explain how this works. Let's see. So, each of these little panels, as it looks like one part's actually these 9 little wooden panels. Looks like one part's actually 2 on each. Like, you see? 2 on each. It made a screechy noise on accident. So, and I'm going to give them their own name. It's just going to be like panel A, B, C, D, E, etc. So, on random, these panels are going to just open and close. I'm thinking maybe like have either 2 or 3 open at once. And they're just going to cycle relatively quickly from being open, close, open, close. And basically when the players are walking through it, they kind of just want to avoid when they're walking, just falling, being on the one that opens and then they fall. And there's no way to really predict it. They just open randomly. You want to walk on it without being on it when it opens and you fall. So yeah, we have 2 basic things. The tilted jumps. If you're just popping in, these things have scripts to make you slide off of them if you don't go fast enough. And now the trapdoor panels, which will take a pretty tough code. Not that tough, just like, it'll just take a bit of time. So let's give this some supports. But yeah, I think I could like get into the code like of this at least today. And I'm not gonna make it so no, actually I'm just gonna make it so it's always running, since there's no time, there's not any period in time where running it would harm. Unless my game's too laggy, then I can make it running triggered by the starting of the obby. I'm just gonna, these things, I'll get them in the right group. Duplicate. I think I can just totally 90. Oh, I'm an idiot. For some reason I thought the axis lasted the entire shape for all of it. For some reason my brain told me that they have a large axis on them. Anyway, I wish you can like right click things to group them. I wish you could do the same thing with like, you could folder them. No, you have to get like a new folder. So, okay, support beams. There we go. So, I think I can kind of like take on the first like coding challenge, I guess, for this. So, if you're interested in code, this is the part I want to like pay attention to. If you don't care at all, and it gets deathly boring, which is probably understandable, not for me personally, then yeah. I guess you can just click off. No, please don't click off. Please. I'm lonely. Cries. Okay. First I'm just gonna give them A. Probably gonna put all these into I'm thinking these all get put into a table. Oh, I know exactly how I do this. I could do a for IV and Paris loop. I can put these in a for IV and Paris loop, and it's just like cycling through them and just a random chance that they're open. There's also other factors that make it so if this many are open, the panel doesn't open. So this would actually be panel A, B, C, D, panel E, so why can't I remember the alphabet today? A, B, C, D, E. Every time, like, I always have to count it like that. D. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna put, I think I could just do a for IV and Paris loop. I literally have to count up on my fingers like say 9th letter of the alphabet. Oh, that's I. Here. No, I'm just gonna add like a little underscore. I would just, if I wasn't a fast typer, what I would do is I'd do it like that, but I'd probably misclick a lot of the time, so since I type fast, I can just do like this. I think this should be panel H, and this should be panel G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, yep, G, 7th letter. Alright. So now the question is, where do I store this code? Okay, so this code isn't, here, wait, these things, I gotta see panel G. So this code won't really be directly relating to any other code. Not even the code that runs the Qualifier Obby or the main game cycle. This code should not be related to anything else. It will run independently regardless if the Obby is playing or not. Because I want to make it so you can't even access the Obby unless it's like happening in the code at that point. So like it's already happening. So this Obby can only be accessed when the Qualifier code is running anyway. So unless this is too laggy, we can just make this so it's always running. Trapdoor panels. Just give this script, we're gonna name it. Open close panels. Okay, I'm just trying to know that like I'm putting this in the best place for the script to be. So I don't want to put it in like a bad place for the script. And there's obviously say if I could put the script in a better place, but I'm thinking I can just leave the script by itself since it shouldn't be connected to another script. And even if I need to start or stop it, another script can either enable it or I can add an attribute, a Boolean attribute that basically the code will start running when the attribute is turned true, and it will be turned true by the main game script. So that's something I could add easily later. Alright, table. Let's make a table. Panels equals. Alright, so it's gonna be okay, script. Yeah, I'm actually just gonna make a much easier shortcut here. I'm gonna do. Oh wait, I gotta make this local. And local, another variable up here. Let's see. Local. Panel. Let's make this very concise. Equals script. Here, actually, I'm gonna. Never mind. Dot parent. Dot panels. Okay, so reference. So then I'm gonna copy this. So then it's pretty much going to be copying this, except we exchange the letter. So this might be a pretty long table. Let's see. I can extend this to another line if I need to anyway. Like I can, if I did that, I could just continue right on the spot. Yeah, I don't need that space. It would be neat, but it would be neat. So those E. Here's it's getting pretty long. F. G. H. No. Right, and I can just end it just like that. And that's our. I'm gonna shorten this table. I'm just gonna spread this out across the 3. Just to keep this all neat and stuff. Alright, not beautiful, but all of the panels that will be cycled through. 4. Alright, so what should I and V be at? I'll just do I. Should V. I'll do. Issue here for IV in pairs. It's just for I. I'm just gonna do a classic IV. So it's pretty much just a pairs loop for I. I'm just trying to see is there expected identifier. What if I just type V? Identifier and here, wait. Let me just make sure I'm doing an IV in pairs loop right. If this is the right format. Alright, so I'm just gonna check this. I don't know if it's right that it says that right there, like in is an error. Okay. This looks like just a. Wait, someone else in studio. Is that what that red thing is about? No. No, that's just what happens when I open the thing. Yeah, that's just how it works. Alright, I'm Robloxian. Let's save for the day. Yeah, open close panels. It's just a. It should just be a typical pairs loop. For I. Oh, yeah, I don't have a comma here. Is that really an entire space? So it's gonna be undercase. Here, I'm just gonna have a panel. Yep. Alright, the loop's right. To make sure I have, just in case I need to recall a bit of information about an IV pairs loop. I'm just going to reference this as an IV in pairs, even though I labeled I panel in pairs. Just a cat. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Okay. Oh, right, so every time the loop goes... Wait, so does this loop cycle infinitely, or does it just go through the entire table and end? Never ending. Well, I guess here, I'll just do print I view output, make this larger. And I'll see what happens when I run it. If I just print I. Oh my god, test. Run. So I just gotta see how many times this is. Oh yeah, I got it anchored. Okay, what the heck is this? I don't trust that. What? I feel like all these like there's all these like hack like scripts like require. It's just typical to chat service wrong. That's right. So now I put that in there. It's storage. Alright, so this loops through it every single time. But I need this to loop infinitely, and I'm sure I can put in a simple if true do. No. For true do. Or is it when? When true? No, it's while true do. Actually. Here's how I'm gonna do this. So I will add an attribute onto the script. It's gonna be a boolean. It's gonna be qualifier active boolean. Now we're gonna set it to true. While script dot qualifier active equals true do. And then end. What's the issue? Trying to understand attributes. Can you just reference them, like, or anything else? What are the properties? I do slash attribute? Script dot attribute changed. Whenever an attribute is changed. Okay, let me see how this works here. Attribute, because I've never used attributes. I'm just gonna look up attribute. Let's see, attribute. Attribute changed. Let's just see. Actually, instead of an attribute, I think I can just add a value. A boolean. Yeah, I don't need to do anything with attributes, just because I don't know how to use them. Let's see. I can just give this, which just do the same thing as an attribute. Actually, this shouldn't go in the script itself. This should just go into qualifier active, and I'm just gonna set that to true. I'm actually gonna add a new variable here. I'm just gonna call active equals script dot. Let's see what a script, how deep it is in here. Parent dot parent dot parent. Here. Oh my god. Wait. Yeah, I'll be right back. I gotta check something. Anyway. Why? Oh. Oh. Still, what is this happening? It's a while true do loop. What do you expect? While true do. Real? What is real? Oh wait. Dot value equals true. Why? How does it? Am I missing the entire function of these loops? It's a while true do end, and this is where it ends. What's so long? What am I supposed to add a call or function in there? If I just type E. Okay. While active dot true. What? I don't get this. I don't get this. It's while do? Is it while do loop? Is that a thing? No, it's not. While true do. Active dot equals. Do I have to do a double equals? Really? Let me run that. Actually, first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take everything here. These are anchored. Select children. Anchor. So it's not really a functional loop. It should just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 infinitely. Why did this fall? Why is that unstable? Yeah, it's infinitely planning 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I should try to wait. Yeah, that's like just my cat in the background. I should just slow it down just enough to function. So yeah, now it runs infinitely, and of course we're gonna make that run much slower. But it infinitely and at maximum speed without crashing or without exhausting itself counts up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, nice. So our loop is it's an infinite for IV impaired loop. That way I'm probably just gonna add it to like 3. So yeah, just 3s. So every time a new digit appears, that means that's a new thing opening. 3, 1, 2. Alright, I'm gonna make that faster. 1.5. Also, this is like glitchy. These panels are glitchy. We're gonna fix that. Can I just do wait 1? I'll just do 0.75 since I want it to be like plop, 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 plop. Yeah, I like that. I like that speed. Okay, so print I is not what we're gonna do. That's just for testing purposes. So give me a moment to think of how I'm gonna do this. Since the code kind of just takes like a plan, I guess, at some point. Oh, it actually comes up to 8. Or does that right? There's 9 panels. Or did I just start the code too early? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I think I just started the code too early. It's 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. So that's at the rate these are gonna open. And print is just merely just placeholder. So I'm thinking I scale down all of these just by a bit. It's the way they're glitching out and stuff. I think yeah, they're all anchored, of course. Let's see, chat more panels. Just gonna select all of them just as a group. I guess we can. Actually, no. I'm just gonna do the way F3X does it. I think F3X just scales things better. The scale tool, I kind of just like its mechanics better. It scales them each individually, which is good. I want to change that increment. 0.1. So yeah, we just gotta resize all of these to actually work. That these are in a folder so I can select them. What else did I select? I freaking kill brick. Goddamn kill brick. It's panel H anyway. Oh, the freaking kill brick. Yeah, I can't unselect it without going all the way here. Oh no, it's so much effort. It's too much effort for me to handle. It's more effort than I've ever put into anything in my life. Now I don't trust myself to click without waking up the kill brick. Oh no, gotta be careful so I don't wake up the killer kill brick. Don't want to wake up the killer kill brick. Work tech. Ooh. It's probably like a school or a college or a channel or something that I'm missing. Well, whatever it is, work tech will go down in history. I declare that work tech will go down in history for being work tech. Yeah. You're famous for being work tech. Anyway, hopefully that resize is cool. Alright. Okay, not bad. This is all good. Just gotta clean up this. And then we will be all good to continue with the code, which will take some tween service woke up. It's always the kill brick that I'm selecting, not when I'm like actually trying to select. Alright, will this work? Barely. Actually, you get a separation. There's some pretty clear separation. So now we're actually gonna play. Let's see, can you like actually stand on these things like properly? Does anything work as it's intended to work? Okay, shoot. What? Kill brick? Huh? Oh my god, I freaking scared the kill brick on accident. Let's see, so how big is this kill brick exactly? Here, let's just... Okay, transparency, 0. No, not 0. 0.8. Just gonna fix you. Shoot. Hopefully that's big enough. Cool. Oh, right, I need to make that untransparent. I'll do that after. Here to send a message. Can you actually like walk on these without... I think I should just move them down a bit. Alright, 2 things to do. Fix the kill brick. Oh, no, wrong way. And move the panels. Just move the panels down a bit. And it's here, it doesn't know. What did I press? Ghost Bank? You can like walk on these actually. Then what's gonna happen? What would happen is instead of that happening, what's actually gonna happen is it's gonna open up. So I've been streaming for a while. Alright, here I just got a text. Alright, so this would so what I'm gonna do is this script, we have a decent start on it. I'm gonna continue it next stream or maybe off stream. So yeah, this script, we're just gonna, so where it says print I, or that will become V. So I'm just gonna, actually that will become panel. So V will become panel, and then, well no, we're not gonna print anything in the official script on this. So it's gonna just run. You see, the panel is, it's gonna be something like math.random, and then we'll give it a random chance to open. We're gonna make it so a certain amount. Oh yeah, and since it'll be constant, it'll have to cycle through each panel individually. I'm probably gonna I'm gonna do it I'm gonna find some perfect balance of cycle time to get through each panel, and also, yeah, I'm gonna find a perfect balance of cycle time and probability. I'm thinking it'd be best if I do something that goes like as fast as possible, or very fast, but with also a low chance. Maybe I could have like 2 open per second. So if it's every 10th of a second, how would I do that? So it would be 1 per second. 10% would be 1 per second. So 5% would be half per second. So if I did 20%, so if I had a 20% chance and cycle at 0.1, so here, I'm just gonna note this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna note this. Alright. Oh no, there's 9 panels, dang it. Oh wait, no, that would just mean, here, I'm just gonna do, oh, I'll figure this out later. I don't know why I've been dragging on this end of stream so long. Anyway, I guess I'll just end the stream here. Oh, hello, off Jim 2991.